Hey guys, it's Kevin here. If you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of products, so please hit that subscribe button and help me out. Today I'm here to share with you an electric blood pressure monitor. If you have blood pressure or heart issues, obviously you're very familiar with blood pressure monitors, or even if you go to the doctor. This is kind of cool because it is very travel friendly and it has multiple options for charging. So let's go right into it. This is the box it comes in, pretty straightforward, nothing fancy. Comes with a travel bag, and then obviously it comes with instructions if you need this. And then here's the unit itself. As you can see, it's very compact. Over here on the plug is where the cuff will plug into, and then over here is a USB charger, or it doesn't have an internal battery, but you can plug this into a USB adapter and power it that way. Or on the back, it takes 4 AA batteries, which they include, and you can power it up that way. So you got kind of 2 options to power it up. Now, this will record. I don't really use that feature, but it will save in memory over 100 and something different results. So you don't have to necessarily write it down every time, but if you're like me, I have an app that I just keep track of it in, and so that works better. But it does have a memory setting. It also has a 2-person setting. So if there's more than 1 person in your household that needs to keep track of their blood pressure, you can do that as there's an icon of 1 or 2 depending on who you are. So like I said, setup's really easy. You get the cuff here. Just simply plug this on in and then unstrap the cuff. The velcro is a little tight, so it does get a little used to that part, but that's going to be obviously a good thing because you want to make sure, I got this on backwards, you want to make sure it's nice and secure. Now when you put it on, you want to make sure the tube's coming this way. Tighten it up here, and as you can see, we'll turn this on, it powers up, and then you just hit start and it will get going here. There we go. So now it is off and running. Just like a standard cuffs. I mean, I'll include a link down below on Amazon if you want to check out what other people are saying, other reviews. Obviously, you can pick these kind of things up all over at your local drugstores or retail stores, but I found this one very accurate results, very easy to read. As you can see there, the screen's very, the numbers are large, it tells you the pulse, and it also kind of notifies you what results are good and what results are bad, and then there's also a battery icon if you're using the batteries like I am right now. But like I said, it's a pretty impressive blood pressure monitor if you are in the market of one. Until the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. Bye. You, my friend, are awesome because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.